Right, an exchange rate question. Okay, so here you've got Jamal, who's going to USA and Mexico, so he's going to two destinations, and he exchanged, it says here, an equal amount of money. Okay, now that's important, because if you've done this question, you'll realise they don't say how much he exchanged. They don't say at all how much he exchanged. They just says that he exchanged an equal amount of pounds for US dollars and Mexican pesos. Okay, so it's the same amount, right? Turns out it doesn't matter how much he exchanged, right? It doesn't matter at all how much he exchanged. The important thing is that it's the same for both places. Now he had to cancel his trip, right? Which means then, of course, he needed to change the money back into pounds, okay? Because that was more useful for him. So we're going to use these exchange rates here to help us work out which currency he lost the most money on. Now, if we focus on USA on this side, and maybe Mexico over here, okay? So with the USA one, all right, we've got £1 equals $1.62. So when you change now into dollars, you change to foreign currency, you need to multiply. Now you might be thinking, well, what do I multiply? I don't know what amount. It doesn't matter what amount, okay? You can set an amount, okay? So we could say, let's assume he exchanged £100, okay? It doesn't have to be £100. It could be £200. It could be anything. I'm going to pick 100 because it's a nice number, okay? As I said, it does not matter at all how much it is, so long as it's the same for USA as it is for Mexico. So we'll just go with 100. You times that by 1.62, okay? So that comes to $162, okay? So that's how much you got in dollars, and then you have to convert it back, of course. So then when you convert it back to pounds, there's a different exchange rate because time goes on and you have different exchange rates. Exchange rates change. So then, of course, when you change it back into your own currency, you need to divide. Okay, so we use the calculator. 162 divide by 1.84, and that comes to 88.04. Okay, it comes to a nasty-ish number, but in terms of pounds, it's £88.04 when you round that there. You can do the same for Mexican, right? So 100, then again, but this time now 100 times 20.24, okay, which is 2,024 pesos. And then when you changed it back, of course, when you change it back, you divide it by this new exchange rate. Okay, so again, my calculator, 2,024 should have there, shouldn't I? I don't need a point there. Okay, so 2024 divide by 22.45, and that comes out to be £90.16. Okay, £90.16. Now, it doesn't matter, as I said, about the amounts, that's irrelevant. What you can see is, though, that he actually got more money back for the Mexican exchange than he did with the USA. So he lost more. He lost more on the US exchange, okay?